Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most exciting technologies shaping our future, artificial intelligence or AI. You've probably heard about AI everywhere. But what exactly is AI? Let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks which normally require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, and understanding language. There are mainly two types of AI: narrow AI, designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which is hypothetical and like human intelligence. Most AI today is powered by machine learning, where computers learn from data instead of being programmed explicitly. AI is now used in phones, cars, healthcare, and finance. Examples include virtual assistants, self-driving cars, and fraud detection.